Crypto world. Friday morning stock market just opened and we have problems today. Dow's down 600 points. The S&P's down almost 2%. There was a jobs report which was much worse than expected. Non-farm payrolls came in much lower than was expected, indicating a weaker economy. As if that wasn't enough bad news, Trump announced new tariffs. And remember, the deadline of August 1st has been moved to August 7th. But the bottom line is there are large tariffs on major trading partners of the United States. Also hurt the stock market, and interest rates drop with the 10-year at 4.25%. And as the economy weakens, as the tariffs go on, and to show you the response of the tariff thermometer, you have gold going up. And remember, it's been backing off. It went up when all the tariffs were announced. So you have interest rates dropping, you have gold going up, and what's going on with the dollar? The dollar, which was literally at 100 yesterday, now fell back down because of the interest rates and the tariffs. And take a look at how dramatic it was. This is the 5-day chart, up, 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 up. And then the news comes out, and here you go. Phew! The dollar is getting hit. Now, when we jump over to crypto, it's clearly red land as the tariffs, the concern about the U.S. economy, and the notion that risk is off has transferred to the crypto world. And what's particularly interesting is when you see the dollar go down, usually you see crypto go up. But in light of tariffs and the fact that the U.S. economy is let's say unstable at the moment, you're seeing this in crypto land. But we still have these companies, not only in the United States, but out of the United States, buying Bitcoin to add to their strategic reserve. And Metaplanet is planning to buy $3.7 billion worth of Bitcoin. And I can't say if this is bullish or bearish, but it's an interesting fact. On Coinbase, when they reported their earnings, it turned out that the volume of the XRP traders increased so much on Coinbase that there was more volume in XRP than there was in ETH for the first time on Coinbase. And just as a footnote, despite the fact that the volume on XRP increased so much that it exceeded the volume of Ethereum on Coinbase, the reality is, look at the price. And here we are. We're in red land. And as I have been concerned and talked about yesterday, this shift in perspective isn't likely to have a dramatic reversal, particularly in light of the tariffs and the bad economic news, though I don't think we have a, quote, meltdown, because we do have the benefit, if you will, perhaps for the wrong reason, of the dollar decreasing dramatically. But this has been a crazy morning. I just wanted to come to you, and you know that after reports like that, there can be some volatility, so maybe everything can change, though I don't think so. But I'll be back later today. Wow, what an amazing morning.